Add a labor to a repair order, labor from vehicle quotes. If there are quotes available from the vehicle listed on our repair order, we can view and transfer those quotes from within the RO. Let's take a look. Now, just like any other labor, we need to have a reason for service line highlighted to add the labor from a quote to the RO, but quotes are a bit different here. Click the Quotes button and we can see here we can select to view just the labor or the reason for service, either a vehicle problem or a request for service with the labor from quotes. Note here, if we did not have a reason for service line highlighted, this labor from quotes for this vehicle would be grayed out like the parts are below it. So let's select labor from quotes first. And here we have the labor services and their associated parts. Notice the complete labor description shows down here, as well as the original quote date and time. Let's click in the Select column to bring over the lower control arm and the alignment. And note the running total in the lower right corner. Now click the Add Selected Items to RO button and both the labor and parts are brought over to the RO. Now let's click the Quotes button again and select Vehicle Problem or Requests from Quotes instead. Here we can select the reason for service with the labor and parts, kind of the whole package ready to go. But if you've already entered a reason for service on your RO, maybe taken some special notes from the customer about their vehicle problem, you might want to just add the labor like we saw a moment ago. But if not, just check the box in the Select column for the job you want to add to the RO, and notice there aren't any checkboxes for the individual labor and parts components for that job, and click the Select button. And here it is on our RO. It is important to note the labor services and parts, if applicable, in those quotes will reflect the parts and labor prices at the time the quote was created, which may or may not be up to date with your current labor times and part prices. And this concludes the lesson on Add a Labor to a Repair Order, Labor from Vehicle Quotes.